From the discount section, admin can simply monitor and simply access all of the coupons and discounts that will be visible on the user end onto the actual platform. Very first, let's talk about coupons. So, all of the coupons that are visible onto the platform, which are being used by that particular user during the time of order, placement, are managed here. These coupons, whichever have been added from the admin end, will be accessible to the user. So let's have a look at the list. There's the image of the coupon, the name of the coupon code, and the user count. How many users have used that particular coupon? Then there's the discount type, whether that's a percentage or a flat value, and the description of that particular coupon. Also, you'll find the start date, end date, and if in case not the end date, before that also, just click on the active button and the particular coupon will be inactive. We'll just undo it for now, and then edit the coupon details, click on edit, and then there's a super banner which can't be changed, and the coupon title changed from the admin end, coupon code, discount percentage, you want it to be flat or percentage, and then the discount value of what should be the, like for example, now it's selected for percentage, then the discount value is 10%, that means a 10% will be applied as per the coupon. And then there's this maximum amount. What is the maximum amount that needs to be placed from the admin, from the user end to place the order, and then the per day limit? What should be the limit for that? For the user to use this particular coupon and use limit. That can also be set from the admin end. And the minimum amount to pay, minimum amount to apply, it tells us that what is the minimum amount that needs to be applied from the user end so that this coupon is accessible for them, and then the date range. What should be the start and end of that particular coupon? Restaurant type. If you want this particular coupon to be kept for any particular restaurant, just select it from this select type. That could be restricted to cuisine type, category, subcategory, brand, restaurant, whatever that's needed. Another deduction from admin. You want the particular coupon amount that should be deducted from admin or from the merchant name, and change selected restaurant. If there's any selected item, like very simple, restaurant was selected. So on a few of the items of the restaurant, this particular coupon will be available. You can select from this section. Like, I'll click on it, and then admin can view all of the categories that are associated to that particular restaurant. You can select. Also, all of the categories will be able to access that. Otherwise, the selected categories will be able to access that particular coupon. Add or close, disclose it for now. Description of the particular coupon. You want to keep that particular coupon private or public. In case you click on private, just do it private. Then this will not be accessible for any of the users. So whenever the user will view coupons, so this particular coupon code will not be visible to the user. In public, however, if in case they'll have the coupon code and they'll just apply the coupon code, this coupon will automatically be applied. So basically, it's just that the coupon will be private, but however, it will be accessing on the platform. Admin can use this functionality to provide this coupon for any specific category of customers or for any particular user that can be defined from the admin end. We just keep it public only for now, and the name of the categories which are associated to that particular. These are a list of the restaurants which are associated to that particular coupons. So only these restaurants will have access. If any user will select these two restaurants, then they'll be able to access the coupon which is created. Any changes, then update. If no changes is done, so you do back, admin can delete the particular coupon. However, admin can also add a new coupon. For a majority of the elements are the same, which have been viewed in the edit section. The upload a coupon file, any of the banner for the coupon title, coupon code, discount type, whether you want it flat or percentage, discount value, per day limit, use limit. What should be the use limit, minimum use limit, then minimum amount to apply. And then the select and the end date range for that particular coupon. You want the coupon to be accessible for brands, restaurants, categories, and select any type. Deduction from admin end or the merchant, and any description for that particular coupon, and want to keep the coupon private or public. So all of these functionalities are present on the admin. Now we'll talk about the deals In the Deals section, admin can have control on the deals that will be visible onto the user interface, which will be visible to the user. All the functionality can be defined over from the admin end. Very first, let's have a view on the available deals. Image of the deal, name of the particular deal, code of the deal, and then the user count. How many of the users that are using the particular deal and the discount associated with the deal, description of that. Date, start and end of the deal, ability to active and inactive the particular deal. And then this deal can also be reordered, just drag and drop, and then the order will be changed for the date, and actions, edit the particular deal, and delete the deal. Click on the edit, and then this is the deal banner, which is editable, deal title, type. Everything can be accessible from the admin end. Discount value, which is associated with the deal, time range for that particular deal, and the category for which this deal is associated. Whether that's for category, restaurant, any type is selected. And then reduction, which deduction can be made from admin end or the merchant end, and any group of selected categories, as we have selected categories, and there will be selected categories. If it is restaurants, then there will be selected items from restaurants. So it is dynamic as per the drop-down that's selected here. Then description. What should be the description of the particular deal? And below are all of these selected categories, which are selected from the admin end. They can be removed by simply clicking on the trash can that's there. And all of these deals are properly editable from the admin end. If in case some editor is required, just edit and update. If no editor is done, back. And then admin can also delete the particular. Let's go to deals. Admin can also delete the particular deal from the platform and add a new deal onto the platform. Similar functionality. Just upload a file, a banner image for the deal, deal title, deal amount, deal type, whether you want to keep it flat or percentage, and discount value that should be associated with the deal, start and end range of the deal, and type, whether that's for restaurants, brands, categories, subcategories, deduction from admin end or the merchant end. And then the description for the particular deal, like where you suppose, just create, and let's just create a new deal, let's just upload a normal file from a local system. And then the deal title will be, let's suppose, at clinics only, and you want it for flat or percentage, keep it flat. You want it for 10% flat, and start and end date will be, let's say from 10th of June to, you want this date for 2 months. It will be 10th of August, and type associated with the categories. Let's keep it for categories. This particular deduction from the merchant, and this can be further used in case of any business model. Like if in case the merchant wants to add a deal, they'll contact the admin, and admin can set and create a deal for the merchant, and select categories for which categories these deals should be available. It's randomly. We're randomly selecting 3 categories. Art categories which are selected will be visible here. This description. Any description of your end? Okay, the deal has been applied. You already have a deal. And in case if the deal is not active, like for that particular date range, then it can be visible into the deal section. Otherwise, the previous deal should be in, and then only new deal will be visible. Thank you for watching this discount module tutorial.